Here is my potting bench, and in this project we're going to go through some of the design and manufacturing processes of the forms and pouring of the lightweight concrete. The lightweight concrete consists of cement, of course, sand, perlite, and some air entrainment admix. Chopped fiberglass was added to resist cracking. I spent a month or two modeling a number of concepts before settling on a design, then sourcing the components I have to buy, such as the bowl and faucet, as well as pondering how to attach the bowl. Once I received the purchased components, I had to model them as well to finish the design. This is the finished potting bench, and this is the 3D modeling environment showing the assembled countertop, legs, and feet. The countertop is resting on the legs, held in place by 4 carriage bolts. The design intent of the feet is to limit side-to-side rocking. There is a gully cast in the center of the countertop to direct water into the bowl, and a ridge molded around the edge to help contain water on the countertop. Now watch as it explodes into its various components. After the design was completed came the process of building forms around the models. During this process there were significant design changes as difficulties were found in building the forms. Engineers seldom design something at the concept stage that can actually be manufactured, and this was no exception. Good thing the engineering and manufacturing personnel were the same person, so no feelings were hurt when I kicked myself in the ass for a poor design. In the next part for this project, we will journey down the path of building the form for the feet and then casting the concrete. I used a normal mix of concrete for the feet since I was not too concerned about the weight. Only the legs and countertops used the lightweight mix. Be sure to subscribe to be notified when the next part is published.